Welcome to Java quiz series. Here is one more question. What is the root interface of a Java collection framework hierarchy? Option A, collection interface. Option B, set interface. Option C, collections class. Option D, list interface. Well, you have 5 seconds to answer this question. The correct answer is option A, collection interface. In a Java collections framework, the collection interface is a root interface of the hierarchy. The other interfaces like list, set, queue, so these interfaces extends this collection interface. And this collection interface basically defines all the common methods. Welcome to Java quiz series. Here is one more question. Which data structure ArrayList internally uses? Option A, vector. Option B, linked list. Option C, array. Option D, double linked list. Well, you have 5 seconds to answer this question. The correct answer is option C, array. Well, in Java, the ArrayList class internally uses dynamic array to store its elements, and as the ArrayList grows and the capacity of the underlying array is exceeded, the ArrayList creates a new larger array and it copies the old elements from old array to the new array. Okay. Welcome to Java quiz series. Here is one more question. Which class provides a thread shape implementation of a list interface? Option A, ArrayList. Option B, copy and write ArrayList. Option C, linked list. Option D, vector. Well, you have 5 seconds to answer this question. The correct answer is option B, copy and write ArrayList. Well, copy and write ArrayList class is a thread shape variant of ArrayList in which all the modifications are implemented by creating a separate copy of the underlying array. Option B is correct because copy and write ArrayList is specifically designed to provide a thread shape operation on a list without requiring the external synchronization. Welcome to Java quiz series. Here is one more question. Which collection ensures that elements are processed in a first in first out order? Option A, HashSet. Option B, linked HashSet. Option C, linked list. Option D, priority queue. So you have 5 seconds to answer this question. The correct answer is option C, linked list. In Java, linked list class is commonly used to maintain first in first order when it is used as a queue. The linked list class implements both list and dequeue interfaces, allowing it to function as a queue. Other collections like HashSet, linked HashSet, and priority queue do not guarantee first in first order ordering. Okay. Welcome to Java quiz series. Here is one more question. HashSet internally uses option A, vector. Option B, ArrayList. Option C, HashMap. Option D, queue. Well, you have 5 seconds to answer this question. The correct answer is option C, HashMap. Well, the HashSet class internally uses HashMap to store its elements. When you add an element to HashSet, it actually becomes a key in the underlying HashMap with a constant dummy value associated with it. The uniqueness of the elements in a HashSet is ensured because HashMap keys must be unique. Okay, so just remember, HashSet internally uses HashMap to store its elements, and when you add an element to the HashSet, it actually becomes a key in an underlying HashMap with a constant dummy value associated with it. Welcome to Java quiz series. Here is one more question. Can a HashMap contain duplicate keys? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, only null keys. Option D, only null values. Well, you have 5 seconds to answer this question. Correct answer is option B, no. In HashMap, each key is a unique. Adding new entry with the existing key replaces the old value with the new one. Okay. In a HashMap, each key should be unique, and if you try to add a new entry with the existing key, then it will replace the old value with the new one. Welcome to Java quiz series. Here is one more question. What is the default initial capacity of a HashMap in Java? Option A, 8. Option B, 14. Option C, 16. Option D, 10. You have 5 seconds to answer this question. The correct answer is option C, 16. In Java, the HashMap class has a default initial capacity of 16. This means that when you create a HashMap without specifying the initial capacity, it is initialized with a space for 16 key value pairs before it needs to be resized. Okay, welcome to Java quiz series. Here is one more question. Which of these classes should be preferred to be used as a key in a HashMap? Option A, string class. Option B, integer. Option C, double. Option D, all of the above. Well, you have 5 seconds to answer this question. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Well, all the classes such as string, integer, double override the hashcode and equals method, making them suitable to be used as a keys in a HashMap. In fact, any class that correctly overrides equals and hashcode methods can be used as a key. However, it is essential that the key remains immutable. So among the options given, string, integer, double or immutable, so they are good choices for keys in a HashMap. Welcome to Java quiz series. Here is one more question. What is the concurrent HashMap in Java? Option A, a synchronized version of HashMap. Option B, a type of linked list. Option C, a type of array. Option D, a collection of sorted key value pairs. You have 5 seconds to answer this question. The correct answer is option A, a synchronized version of HashMap. Concurrent HashMap is a thread-shaped variant of HashMap in Java, and it is specifically designed for concurrent access by multiple threads. Concurrent HashMap allows multiple threads to read and modify the map simultaneously without corrupting the data. Alright, option A is correct because concurrent HashMap is a synchronized version of HashMap optimized for use in a concurrent environment.